there, business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Nishi here with a fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you today. Today I want to talk about managing multiple accounts on Instagram. So on Instagram, it can be a little bit tricky trying to log on and log off of an Instagram account if you're managing more than one account, right? Because it's a phone app and, trying to tap into your username and putting in your password can be a little bit cumbersome. So maybe you have more than one account, right? Maybe you have like a personal account and a business account, or maybe you manage multiple business accounts, or whatever it is. So an easy way to be able to switch back and forth with multiple Instagram accounts is to go to your bio page and tap on your username that appears at the very top, and you'll see a pull-down menu, and at the very bottom it says Add Account. And then you hit that, and it'll prompt you to log into your other account. And after you do that, you will notice that every time you tap onto the username at the top, a pull-down menu will appear, and your other accounts will be listed under, and you can just select them. And your username and password will be automatically saved. And if they're not automatically saved, you can just go into your Instagram settings and go into Saved Login Info and make sure that's switched on to on. So then you can just easily switch between accounts very quickly and manage all those accounts very efficiently. Now, Instagram will allow you to do this for up to 5 accounts. Now, most of us don't need more than 5 accounts. 5 accounts is like way more than enough. But some of us might need that extra 5 or 10 accounts, whatever. So what you would have to do is then go back to your settings, and where it says Saved Login Info, you want to switch that off. So when that's switched off and you try to log out of an account, it won't automatically just save your info and just max you out at 5 accounts. It's going to say, are you sure you want to log off? Do you want us to save your info? It's going to kind of make it sound like you can't get back in again. It's a bit scary. Don't worry, you can get back in again. So you just say, yes, I want to log off. I don't want to remember my password. Please log me off. And then you can add that extra account and check it out and then manage up to 5 accounts again at a time. So that's it for today. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new blog article, a new video a couple of times a month. Until next time, take care.